We're in the middle of... So may papakita ako sa inyo. I'm going to show you something which is still exists today, even despite all day ito public phone. We still have a public phone here. But hello, are you there? Why nilalagyan pala yun? So see? Wala. Lumabas din yung araw ngayon. And this is my OOTD for today. Okay, let's go. Mga nawawala sa ano.
Wait. I check link stick.
Yung mga bus nila, oh. Bus nila. Wala silang masyadong traffic dito kasi yung mga tao dito, mga nagpapag-transport. Tapos, ang uso rito, napansin ko lang naman, ang uso dito ay yung mga... Yes! Churun! Oh. See, look at that. So this is, I don't know what is that. Oh. Yeah, that's nice. You sendiri cakep.
Yeah, we are in Taiwan, Taipei. I talk Japanese only. Sayonara, arigato. Arigato, sayonara.
Konnichiwa, atashi wa Melody desu. 今天我们在台湾，我们要带你走走。我是跟我妈妈、爸爸一起走走。我们在台湾。那ate Maretsi来，apa yung cakapin?
Hello, welcome to Taiwan. Nandito tayo sa ano sa Taipei.
No entry.
Palakad-lakad, no entry.